Need a money saving challenge you can actually keep up no matter what life throws at you? We got you. Check out our 52-week money challenge that's as easy as pie and can help you save $1,170 or even more. Let's check it out. We've created an easy-to-use spreadsheet for you to track your savings. You can download it as a Microsoft Excel file and save it directly to your desktop, or make a copy of it online with Google Sheets. Now that you have your own copy, you can edit the template each week. You can plan on saving more or less by changing the amount in the recommended deposit column, whatever fits your budget. Then each week, note how much you actually saved in the actual deposit column. The total balance saved column automatically updates. Personally, we think it's so much fun to see how your money grows with each entry you submit. For some extra #goals motivation, you can also use our free printable 52-week money challenge chart that shows you exactly how much you could have at the end of each week if you follow our plan or customize it to make it your own. Put it on your fridge or the bathroom mirror, wherever you'll see it every day for some extra motivation. Happy saving!